It's hard.
That's why I said, no, you're not going to get any food.
We're going to save all these videos.
You're not getting any food until we get this one down. All right, one more and then let's go download it and see what we got.
Yeah, okay.
Hello, everybody. This is Jack. I'm Gale. We're ready to start our van life adventures, and we'll hope that you'll all join us.
We have a 1985 GMC 3500 1-ton 4x4. It's a Van Dura that was modified by a company called Pathfinder. They made 3 of them, and we have one.
We've been working on the van all year. It's not quite done, but we're ready to hit the road, and there's a lot to do and there's a lot to see.
We can't wait to share our adventures with you, so please like and subscribe and come along for the ride.
If you love travel, tiny living, and the occasional zooming, hit that like and subscribe button and join the ride.